Hi, Rachelle here with Keller Williams Legacy One, and I am at my newest listing here in Victoria neighborhood in Queen Creek. And I wanted to share this with you and let you know that on Saturday, August 25th and Sunday, August 26th from 11 to 2, I'll be holding this great home open. So hoping you can come on by and check out this new home, new listing for me. It's actually a former model home. Nobody's ever lived in it. And with a model home, you get awesome upgrades. Like, look at these beautiful kitchen cabinets. So I'm totally loving this house. It's 2,300 square feet. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus a den. It's a total open concept. You guys are gonna love this one. Hoping to see you stop by my open house. If that time doesn't work for you, but you maybe wanna take a peek inside, feel free, reach out to me anytime. You can call, you can text, you can email me, you can drop a comment below, or send me a personal message. We also have many other options available, so this might not be the one for you, but I'd love to talk further about some of your options, maybe some of your financing options. Anyhow, hope to see you on Saturday or Sunday, and check out this great home.